Hi, boys and girls. Today's book I'm going to read to you is called Is Two a Lot? One day, Joey had a very important question. Is two a lot? He asked his mommy. His mommy thought for a moment. Then she said, Well, two is not a lot of pennies, but two is a lot of smelly skunks. What about three? Joey asked. Is three a lot? Well, Joey, his mommy replied, I'd say three is not a lot of books on a shelf. But three is a lot of broken bones. What about four? Asked Joey. Is four a lot? His mommy smiled. Four is not a lot of children in a school bus, she answered, but it is a lot of dogs to walk at once. What about five? Asked Joey. Well, five is not a lot of freckles, his mommy said, but five is a lot of cowboys on a city street. What about 10, Mommy? I had a feeling that was coming, said his mommy. I'd say 10 is not a lot of pieces of popcorn, but it is a lot of chomping dinosaurs. What about 50? Asked Joey. Is 50 a lot? That's a hard one, Joey. Let me see. I'd say 50 is not a lot of leaves left on an aspen tree, but it is a lot of letters in a mailbox. This time, Joey was sure he could stump his mommy. What about 100? Mommy paused for a moment, and then she said, 100 is not a lot of snowflakes, but 100 is a lot of candles on a cake. Joey took a deep breath and thought hard. Then he asked, Mommy, what about 1,000? Is 1,000 a lot? Mommy said, You ask such great questions. I'd say 1,000 is not a lot of grains of sand, but 1,000 is a lot of hot air balloons. Then his mommy asked him, So what do you think, Joey? Is two a lot? Joey answered, Well, sometimes two is a lot, and sometimes it's not. The end.